Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to show how to jack a car. At what point, at which area of the car you should insert the portable jack that is provided with the car. All you need is these tools. So as you can see here, this is the portable jack which comes, this is the set which comes with the car. This is the jack and this is the tool which helps us to jack the car. And of course this goes into this and this goes into this in that way. So this is the mechanism which would pop the car up. So you will be in a situation to jack the car when if you get a flat tire or you have to replace it with a new tire. So for each tire there will be a jack point provided. For example, this is the front tire, and if you want to jack this up, if you go all the way down here, these are two bolts over. If you also refer the manual of this car, it would be provided where are the jacking points in the car. I will also show the manual of this car. This is the sheet metal part which goes into the portable jack provided by the car manufacturer. So you have to insert the jack between these 2 points. Back end of the car, if you want to jack this side of the car, so you have to go on over here, and there you go. Those are the two doors which you can see, one over here and the other over here. You have to keep the portable jack. There will be a notch. You have to place the notch such that this sheet metal projection goes into that notch. So this is the area where the jack can be held and the car can be lifted safely. If you jack the car up by supporting any other areas, it could bend and go all the way up. It would not support the car's weight. So be sure that you jack the car at the exact point where the manufacturer has specified. In the same way you would find the jacking points on the other side of the car too. So as you can see here, this is the jack, this is the base, and this is the screw which provides the upward motion as soon as you rotate this portion of the part, and this is the notch of the jack. The projection, the sheet metal projection of the car will go into the exact this position, so it may rest on this jack. So place the jack near the car jacking point. So as you can see, this is the jacking point where this jack has to be rested. So this is the two jack points where the jack has to be placed, and I placed at the right position. So let's start jacking it up. So that's it guys, the car has been jacked up. I'll show you a closer look. So if you can see, the car has been jacked up. As you can see, there is a lower gap between the tire and the ground, and I have correctly jacked the car between these two jacking points. Make sure that you follow this procedure while jacking up your car. And that's it guys, this is how you have to jack your car in case of emergency or if there is a requirement. And the jacking down is the exact opposite. You have to put the lever into this and start rotating in the anti-clockwise direction, so that this jack will lower down and the wheel also will come to the bottom. So as you can see, this is the front view of the car. As you can see, the car is tilted towards the right. So now I am going to bring the car down to the ground level. So it goes as this. Bringing the car down is so easy, as since we are bringing the car back. So that's how you jack your cars. So that's it for this video guys. See you next time.